children, welcome to our maths class. Now in exercise 3.2 up to CBT has completed, in DBT one word problem has completed. Now second word problem is, in a biscuit factory 9,45,250 biscuits were produced in the month of January. In a biscuit factory, one biscuit factory is there. In the biscuit factory, in the month of January month lo 9,45,250 biscuits were produced. Any biscuits ne produce chesaru 9,45,250 biscuits. In the month of February, the factory produced 12,77,875 biscuits. In the month of February, they produced 12,77,875 biscuits. What is the total number of biscuits produced in 2 months? In the January month, they produced 9,45,250. In the month of February, they produced 12,77,875. Then, in 2 months, how many biscuits they produced in 2 months? They are asking. To find the total, what we have to do, addition or subtraction? To find the total, we have to do addition. So, solution. Number of biscuits produced. Number of biscuits produced in the month of January is equal January. In the month of January is equal to 9,45,250. Next, number of biscuits produced in the month of February is equal to 12,77,875. Then write from right side left side. 5, 7, 8, 7, 7, 2, 1. So for these 2 months we have to find how many biscuits they produced in 2 months. Now place. Now add 0 plus 5. 5. 7 plus 5, 12, 2 you have to write here, 1 becomes carry, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 you have to write here, 1 becomes carry, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 3 you have to write here, 1 becomes carry, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 2 you have to write there, 1 becomes carry, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 2 you have to write here, 1 becomes carry, 1 plus 1, 2, then in 2 months they produced 22,23,125 biscuits. Total number of biscuits produced in 2 months is equal to total number of biscuits produced in 2 months. Produced in 2 months is equal to 22,23,125. Now the second problem has completed. Next come to the third question. At the start of cricket match, 88,756 spectators were present at the stadium in Kolkata. In Kolkata, one cricket match was conducting. Kolkata lo cricket match jarugutundi. For that match, how many people came to see that match? 88,756 people. Next, 22,247 people came at the different times to see the match. First time 88,756 members unnaru. Aa tarvata afterwards 22,203 people came at different times. Inka time lo kondaru morning, kondaru afternoon, kondaru evening atla different times lo entamandi vacharante 22,247 people to see the match. What is the total number of people at the end of the match? First, 88,756 people they came to see the match. Afterwards, 22,247 people came to see the match. Now they are asking what is the total number of people at the end of the match. Match chivarlo varaku entamandi unnaru. At the end of the match, how many people are there to see the match? Then they are asking total. Total means what you have to do? Total means you have to do addition. So solution. Number at the start of the cricket match, 88,756 spectators were present at the stadium. Number of people at the start of the match is equal to number of people at the start of match is equal to 88,756. Next, 22,247 people came at different times. Number of people came at different times is equal to number of people came at different times. Came at different times is equal to 22,247. Now we have to find total number of people. To find the total number of people, what you have to do? You have to add these two. 8, 8, 7, 5, 6. Next is 7, 4, 2, 2, 2. Then add these two. 7 plus 6, 13. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Then at the end of the match, 1,11,003 people were at the end of the match. Number of people at the end of the match is equal to number of people at the end of the match. Is equal to 1,11,003. Understand? Fourth one has completed. Now fifth question. A construction has many. Next, fourth question. A greater city had a population of 2,15,39,728 people. 75,45,700 people came from neighboring states. What is the present population of greater city? In the city, the population of the city is 2,15,39,728. For this population, some more people has came from other cities. Neighboring means Pakistan states నుండి ఎంత మంది వచ్చారంటే 75,45,741. What is the present population of greater city? Actually, they have 2,15,39,728 and more some people came. How many people came? 75,45,741. Then total, what is the population of that city? To find the total, what you have to do? To find the total, we have to do addition. So, population of greater city is equal to population of greater city is equal to 2,15,39,728. Then 75,45,741 people came from neighboring states. Number of people came from neighboring state is equal to 75,45,741. Then what is the present population of greater city? Then present population of greater city is equal to present population of greater city is equal to first 2,15 lakh right here 2,15 lakh 39,728 plus more 75 lakh. You have to write from right side left side. 1 4 7 5 4, 5, 7. Then if you add these two, then you will get the total population of the greater city. 8 plus 1, 9. 4 plus 2, 6. 7 plus 7, 14. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 5 plus 5, 10. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 as it is. There is no number to add. Then the present population of greater city is 2 crore 90 lakh 85,469. Next question, fifth one. A construction company needs 9 crore 57 lakh 86,290 rupees to complete the construction of bridge. To construct one bridge, ఒక బ్రిడ్జ్ కట్టడానికి వాళ్ళకి ఎంత డబ్బులు కావాలంటే they need 9 crore 57 lakh 86,290 rupees. But they have వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఎంత ఉన్నాయంటే 6 crore 29 lakh 34,680 are available with the company. Then how much more money the company needs to complete the construction? Actually they need 9 lakh 9,57,86,290 rupees. వాళ్ళకి అన్ని కావాలి, but they have only 6 crore 29 lakh 34,680. So more how much money they need? Then what you have to do, addition or subtraction? Now see, you need 10 rupees. మీకు 10 rupees కావాలి. You have 7 rupees. More how many rupees you need to fulfill the 10 rupees? మీ దగ్గర 10 rupees కావడానికి ఇంకెన్ని rupees కావాలి మీకు? More 3 rupees. How you are saying? From the total you are subtracting 7. నీకు 10 రూపీస్ కావాలి కాబట్టి 10 రూపీస్ నుండి మీ దగ్గర ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 7 ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 7 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 3 వచ్చింది. సో నీకు ఇంకా 3 రూపీస్ కావాలి. ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ టోటల్ మనీ we have to subtract this money, then we will get how much money we need. Now the solution. A construction company needs money is equal to rupees 9 crore 57 lakh 86,290. But company దగ్గర ఉన్న డబ్బులు ఎన్ని? 6 crore 29 lakh 34,680. More how much money they need? To get the more money, then what we have to do? Here we have to do subtraction. 9, 57, 86, 290. Then for subtraction you have to write from right side to left side. 0, 8, 6, 4, 3, 9, 2, 6. Then subtract here. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 minus 6 is not possible. Then take borrow, it is 10. It becomes 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 becomes 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. 8 minus 3 is 5. Is 7 minus 9 is possible? No. Then what we have to do? Take borrow. It becomes 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. 5 becomes 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. Then the company needs 3 crore 28 lakh 51,610 rupees. Company needs 3 crore 28 lakh 51,610 rupees to complete the construction. Completed. Next, sixth question. Anish had rupees 49,870. Next, sixth question. Anish had rupees 49,87,500 in a bank. He withdraw 2,25,600 for purchases. Anish account లో 49,87,500 రూపీస్ ఉన్నాయంట. He withdraw means తీసుకోవడం. He withdraw 2,25,600 for purchase. He wants to buy something, so he withdraw 2,25,600 rupees. In the next month, he deposited 39,500. What is the present balance in Anish account in the bank? Then solution. Total money in Anish account is equal to rupees 49,87,500. Next, he withdraw. Anish withdraw. Anish withdrawal is equal to rupees 2,25,600. Then in his bank he has 49,87,500 has. Then ఎంత తీసుకున్నాడు 600,652. Subtraction 0, 0, 5 minus 6 not possible, it becomes 15. If you take borrow 10 plus 5, 15, 15 minus 6 is 9, 7 becomes 6, 6 minus 5 is 1, 8 minus 2 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7, 4 as this. So after taking 2,25,600, in Anish bank account he has 47,61,900. In the next month he deposited 39,500. So in the next month he deposited rupees 39,500. Then now total money. Then for this, yeah, if you add these two, then you will get the total money in Anish account. Then add here. $47,61,900 plus 39,500. 0, 0, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 7 plus 1, 8, 4 as it is. Now, in the Anish account he has 48,01,400. He has 48,01,400. Next, seventh solution. Total population of a state. In a state, total population is 2,59,76,829. Out of that population, 93,89,654 are children. ఒక కంట్రీలో ఒక స్టేట్లో 2,59,76,829 పీపుల్ ఉన్నారంట మొత్తం. అందులో 93,89,654 are children. అందులో children అంటే చిన్న పిల్లలు అయితే how many adults are there? Then how to find adults? Remaining all are adults. So total population of state is equal to state is equal to 2,59,76,829. Number of children is equal to how many children are there? Number of children is equal to 93,89,654. Then we have to find the number of adults. Number of adults is equal to number of adults. పెద్దవాళ్ళు adults అంటే adults in the state is equal to 2,59,76,829. From this total, have to subtract children. 4, 5, 6, 9, 8, 3, 9. Then subtract 9 minus 5. 9 minus 4, 5. 2 minus 5 not possible, then take borrow. 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Yeah, it becomes 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. 6 minus 1 not possible. If you take borrow, it becomes 16. 16 minus 9 is 8. Sorry, 7 Nana. Now 7 becomes 6. 6 minus 8 is also not possible. Again take borrow, it becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 9 becomes 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 minus 9 not possible. If you take borrow, it becomes 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. 2 becomes 1. So in that city, number of orders are 1,65,87,175. So here up to 7 solutions has completed in this exercise 3.2. So we have 7 solutions. 7 solutions has completed. Write these 7 solutions in your notebook and send to me in these word problems. If you have any doubts, ask to me. I'll explain again. Okay.